Hello.
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 How are you?
I'm good, mate. Yourself?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What is this?
This is a Focus ST.
It is a very clean Focus ST.
A very low mileage one as well. I think
Yeah.
probably the lowest mileage I've ever worked on.
It looks like it as well, to be fair. The bodywork's immaculate, wheels are immaculate, engine bay's immaculate, everything's just spot on it.
No, it's lovely. It's done 36k. From what we kind of know, the customer bought it with a couple of mods on it. We sold him an intercooler
Was more
system.
extensively modified, it then got reverted.
Right.
But how much has been left over,
Yeah.
we don't know.
Yeah, so from what he said to me when he dropped it off the other day, it's got catback exhaust with a Dreamsign sports cat, apparently. There is an intake because you can see it. We sold them an Airtec cooler, stage 2. And yeah, it's coming for a bit of dyno tuning, try and add a bit more power. I mean, we did suggest plenum and actuator, but they're not looking to go silly.
No, they just want reliable, consistent power.
Yeah.
I mean, the thing is, they've been told it's got an RS clutch, it's had block mod done and stuff like this, so they believe it's been further
Yeah,
than
and then
it is
brought
now,
back.
but they don't know
Yeah.
how much further.
Okay. But yeah, that's kind of the plan. Just tuning session, nothing too crazy. See what we can do, and that'll be that.
Okay, so we're
Pretty
going
much.
to run it quickly, see what it does?
Yeah, we'll just get some base numbers out of it, and then go from there.
That is a little bit down on power, isn't it?
It is not great.
The graph looks all right.
The graph, yeah, it's kind of. I mean, it's not a good situation to be in. Basically, it's coming at 201 horsepower, 236 newton meters. I mean, these book at like 320 newton meters.
Yeah, so we're nearly 100 down.
Yeah, it's
25 breakdown, but that doesn't factor in. I mean, usually we'd expect to see a decent bit more than stock because of the mods it's got.
Yeah, I mean, normally when you have breathing mods fitted, I mean, we've run plenty of cars. I mean, you look back over the channel, we've run so much stuff that sort of has like intake mods, exhaust mods, and you'll normally see a bit more over standard because it can breathe more efficiently. Obviously, you're just not getting the kind of the best you can get out of it because it's not tuned to obviously make the most of them,
yeah.
make the most of the mods effectively. But yeah, so it's not ideal. We'll give it a quick smoke test and see if that reveals anything. But I mean, all the data looks pretty clean. Boost looks a tad lower than I'd expect to see.
Is it possible that when it's been detuned by a previous owner, that they've not gone stock, they've gone something else?
No, I've already read the ECU and it's 100% match.
Okay.
I mean, the thing is, we've got 2 other Focuses here right now. Like, we do work on quite a lot of them, and we've been tuning these for years and years and years. So yeah, the flash memory standard. Obviously, it depends again because it could have been stock turbo with an aftermarket actuator. Someone's put the stock one back on, not adjusted it correctly. There's so many possibilities. Yeah. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll give it a smoke test, see if that reveals anything.
If not, run it and see what we'll base it and see what it does.
And do that. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of, I mean, there's so many ways we could attack the situation, but that's probably what we'll do, I reckon.
Okay, awesome. Well, let's get all that done then and come back.
Yeah.
Well, that has made quite the difference, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I'll drop a graph there so you can see, but I mean, you know, there's a point in the rev range, kind of 3.5k, and makes an additional 100 horsepower at the wheels. Lower down, there's a point where it makes 200 newton meters. Kind of crazy, really. I mean, I've literally just stuck a stage 2 base into it. Like I said, we've been doing this for a long time. We've done them in partnership with Dan over at Uber, who's also the main calibrator over at Nemesis. And obviously we're one of I think 6 Nemesis dealers, I think. And like I said, we've worked together for a very long time. Not just on Ford platform, to be fair. But it was kind of, you know, I know roughly what these make.
Yeah.
So it was kind of, well, we'll jam that in, we'll see what it does. And we'll kind of progress from there, really. But it's definitely picked up a lot of power. I mean, it's a little bit down. I mean, it made 258 and 440 newton meters. We tend to see anywhere between 260 and 280, depending on the mods, because obviously a lot of people don't do the downpipe.
This has got a sports cat as well, which will be costing some power as well.
Yeah, I mean, normally, you know, from experience, stage 2, with the mods this has, but with the DCAT, normally 260 to 280 is quite normal. Obviously without leaning on it that hard. Yeah, obviously it's got sports cat, and it has come in, I mean, a little low on power, very low on torque. Like, you know, what, 90 newton meters down, I think, ish, that kind of area. 85, 90 newton meters down. So what we're probably going to do now is just do a little adjustment, and we'll give it another pass and see what it does. But I think we're going to need some further investigation as to why it's come in so low.
Yeah, because it's not like it's now not making the numbers. It kind of is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's close. The thing is, you know, there was no underboost codes. Obviously, smoke test didn't reveal anything. Normally, obviously, if the actuator was, say, too soft, or it wasn't set correctly, if it's not making boost, you'll get underboost codes.
Yeah.
And the only code stored in the ECU was the typical vehicle. The vehicle's being stolen. It's now immobilised, but it still starts because it's a Ford.
Yeah.
Really strange. But yeah, so we'll do a little tweak, and then give it another pass, see what she does. But yeah, started out quite poorly, to be fair. But this is
it's going in the right direction, isn't it?
Yeah, she's done all right.
Awesome. All right. Well, let's do some stuff and things.
slippery kipper.
The Otter's Pocket. Hello, Joe.
Hello.
We're back again.
We like the Backstreet Boys.
Yeah.
Is it Backstreet Boys?
Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah.
Backstreet back. All right. Okay, so what have we been doing?
So just made a small revision, done another pass, made a little bit more, 264, 441 newton meters. Kind of happy to call it where it is, to be fair, just given how the session's gone. It's made massive gains over where it came in.
Yeah.
Like I said, there's delta gains of near 100 horsepower at the wheels, 200 newton meters in some places. So
yeah, huge difference.
yeah, obviously I'll drop a graph there just so you can see for yourself, but very, very big differences.
Well, we'd expect this to end up between, you said 260, 280, so it's in that region anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
And we're fighting, well, a sports cat and heat as well. It's not cool today.
To be fair, it's not cool, but it's definitely not as bad as it has been. I mean,
It's
ambient.
22 degrees.
Yeah,
It's not horrendous, but
No, it's
on
not
a cooler
terrible.
day, I'd expect it to make more.
yeah. But no, it's been good, to be fair. It's nice to be back doing a proper video as well, because obviously we've been so bogged down with stuff here. Started filming one last week and it just went completely Pete Tong. Not the video, the car. Just because it's just riddled with issues that we haven't had time to look at yet. So yeah, it's kind of nice to be back in, kind of going through it all again.
Awesome. Okay, so we're calling this one here.
Yeah, we'll call this one here, and hopefully we'll be.
I think they'll be very happy if they don't notice that power difference. I don't think no amount of power is going to make them notice.
Yeah.
So, awesome. All right, well, on to the next one.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.